Hi YouTube, just a quick look today at an LED flashlight I've bought from Amazon. It's made by Akale. It's got a 500 lumens LED, an 18650 battery that came with it. It's IP65 water resistant and it's rechargeable, which is why I bought it. I didn't want to be putting batteries in all the time or using rechargeable batteries. So it's actually got one built in. So if I open it up, I'll show you inside. So inside we get the torch itself, a recharging cable, and this little connector. Set that aside. So the charging cable is just your normal USB one. So you can just charge it on the computer. So it plugs in on here. It's little to make it water resistant. So you just plug it in there to charge it up. And it says it takes 5 hours to charge up. Construction's quite good. It's solid metal sort of thing. This was $8.99 on Amazon. So I'll show you the brightness of it. So it's got a couple of settings. This lights up blue when it's on, red when it needs charging, and when it's charging it'll go red, and then I think it goes green when it's done. So that's your sort of top brightness. And you press the button again and you go down. It has got a strobe setting, so look away from the next couple of seconds if you're epileptic or whatever. So you sort of hold the button down and it has that mode. So that's useful. The reason I got it is if I ever break down on the side of the motorway, I need to change my tyre for example, I could use this to see sort of thing. But it's quite small and compact, so it's useful for anything really if you need it. So we look inside. So it does come with an 18650 battery, and I was quite surprised when I got this, just how big they are, because I've never really seen one before. So that's a typical AA battery, and that's that. It is a cheap sort of Chinese battery, 2,500 milliamp hour, and apparently this will last for 5 hours in it. I haven't fully left it on to test it out yet, but I might change this for a good make battery sort of thing, like an LG or a Panasonic or that sort of thing. It's sort of, yeah, cheap Chinese battery I think is the term. Put that in the right way? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Try it again, not thread it. Can also undo it at this end. But if you're looking for a cheap battery, this is a pretty good one. You can recharge it and you haven't got to worry. Oh, there you go, there's the light. You can recharge it, you haven't got to worry about paying out for loads of batteries. And hopefully that should hold its charge quite well sitting around. So it's getting a thumbs up from me. So here's the actual advert on Amazon. There's it plugging in. There's your modes, your high, medium, low, and your SOS mode. Yeah, so it goes green when it's fully charged. So I'll share the link in the description. It's $8.99 at the moment. It's made by Akale. And there's your specs there. So 118 grams. And it comes with a lithium ion battery.